How's it going, guys? Student Trader here. In today's video, we're looking at NNDM, 320 million shares, continuing to push up after hours. Let's get right into it. Great move today on some great news. Start mapping out by the supports. A lot of FOMO happening right now of 341%. First support there is at VWAP at 266, but as the stock goes higher, the VWAP will continue to push up. So $3 would be a good point for it to stand up. But as of right now, it's pushing high. $3 may not even be a question anymore. This is a true power move. No resistance on the 5-day, 10-day, or 20-day chart. Go to the 1-year chart here. And right there at $4, excuse me, right there at 4, 4.50, and 5, broke all those. And we'll have to see if it breaks 5 right now. 491. This broke a lot of resistance right there at 488. All right, look at the 1-year chart here. $5. It probably will break it by the close tonight. How much power this has. Right there at 5, and then 630 or 627 is the high, and then right there at 530. So these are some great power moves. I'm really excited for the rest of the week. All right, here we go here into the news. One catalyst here says Nano Dimension stock nearly triples on heavy volume after breakthrough in 3D printing of circuit boards. That was at 12:15. When FOMO continues to come in, we can see a push past 6. And who knows, maybe a new 52-week high up there at 633. Little edit here. Right now it's at 543. Crazy move. All right, guys, that was NNDM. Thanks, you guys, for watching. The video, like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys. Oh, and one more thing. If you guys use StockTwits, join my room. Student Trader is called. And I give all my updates there throughout the day. And yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching.